See, what is Python docstring? See, docstring is nothing but a documentation type string. Whenever you are defining either Python module, or simply to say, if you are defining any function, suppose add function with some logic, or suppose if you are defining class inside that function, anything, the docstring is nothing but giving information. Right here it is a preceded by the function, preceded by the class, or preceded by any module, giving the documentation. Typically, we are representing with the triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Just giving the description. What is that? This method, this method performs add operation by taking two numbers like that. And this class providing the functionality, all calculations, calculator functionality it is providing. Just document string is a string which is used to document the function or class that we defined inside the source code. We are representing with a triple single quotes or triple double quotes. That's all.